Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PGA Tour not opening. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and then go back, go to Windows Update Settings, make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go to graphics settings, enable this option, go back and then go to background apps, turn off this option, restart your computer, and after that your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.